Figured I'd make a little video since I had a couple people ask about it. I thought it was pretty common knowledge because everybody does it, but the only thing stopping you from putting this 70s hood on the 80s truck is this latch. I was thinking I might be able to get away with just drilling that out and scooting it over, but I think I'm going to end up cutting too much material out for that to work, so I'll probably just end up drilling another hole. You can see that right there is why it won't go down. Your latch is different. It's all the way over there on that side. So it just needs to scoot that way a pinch. You'll load up. And of course you gotta have the cowl. But she fits pretty damn good. Looks a lot better than the other. What I ended up doing is drilled a little hole right there. I'll get me a nut going on the other side there. Then I'll try to, got these little holes I can stick a socket up through and get another one on once I put a hole in this one. And then that right there will be perfection. So, alrighty. Got a little carried away. But, yeah, that's not fucking happening. So, next best thing, get a big ass pointed one. Just suck that bitch down. It should be good. Should be good. Ain't gonna fuck with that. There she be. Now, of course, I ain't sitting flat as can be, because I got a little bit more fitment to finagle with, but I'm happy. On another note, make sure you got your cable hooked up and don't be a dumbass like me, because I just had to fight to open this damn hood back up, because I forgot to put that little latch back on there.